afternoon, good evening. How are you, my people? I know you are doing well. Everything is fine. Otherwise, this is Nduku Original. I want to bring you another story. I want to share with you another story. It's just a story. Not a serious story, but it is somehow serious. Surely, I love you, my people. I love you, my followers. Whoever subscribed to my YouTube channel, I honor you. I really love you, my people. So, there are some of people who just watch at somebody's story and he does not even like, not even comment, nor even subscribe. Surely this the only support you can give to a YouTuber is only subscribe, comment, and at least share, because YouTube is just but sharing, commenting, and also following or subscribing. Please just subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I love you. Yes, in fact, with me, any channel that I watch, I subscribe, because I know the only thing which I can give to this person is only by subscribing and commenting. And in other times you can share if you feel it's a nice story, because YouTube is not easy. It's just a way of looking for somebody's. Yani instead ya kwenda kuiba, unaambia watu tu story, na ikikupamba just share, just comment. It's not hard. It's not all that hard. Even you can start your own YouTube channel. Yes. And trust me, it can do well. It's matter of ni kujituma tu. Haikuangi rahisi, but somebody anaweza kusurvive nayo. So please, I just beg you, my friends, subscribe, share, and comment. Thank you.